כשהוא עומד מולך, משנה את עולמך. לא חשבתי שנוכל, לא יצאתי מהכלל.
We couldn't arrange a better ad in Yediot Aharonot, the largest daily newspaper in Israel, than the ad of today. It says, מתייבשים, we are getting drier and drier. 7 years of drought in Israel. I brought the second page which shows the results of the drought. Situation is known for few years, but there were some people that had the vision, and Nathan was one of them.
ולפני 3 שנים נתן היה כאן, ואני מנחש שלא היה פה כלום. היה רק חזון בראש, ועכשיו תראו מה שנמצא כאן. נתן היה ויז'נר, בלי ספק בעל חזון, אבל פרקטי. ואני שמח על אימי שממשיכה את הפעולה של נתן.
There is a few people that don't speak only, they create solution. This solution that we see behind us, this is something that will give us a life in this area.
So it's every drop of water, every glass is too precious to only use once. And this huge life that's behind us is something that you, Natan, Amy, all of us who participated and give, it's a special, special, special moment of yours.
His vision wasn't just for the reservoir. It was to help the farmers come back to life. It was to change the quality of the water that was coming into the reservoir. And I thank the group of Israelis from KKL in the area that worked with Natan, because I know that when he had a vision for something, nothing stopped him and he wouldn't bend, and it was very difficult for them, I'm sure. And I hope this makes a big change. And on his behalf, I thank you very much.